Hey everyone, welcome back to Spider Themes. Do you want to create a widget that beautifully displays your notices, announcements, promotions, and updates? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning and highly customizable notice or message widget using Spider Elements in WordPress. First, we need to install the Spider Elements plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, and search for Spider Elements. Once you find it, click Install and then Activate. Once the plugin is activated, go to your WordPress editor and open the page where you want to add the notice. Now, simply click on Edit with Elementor. In this interface, navigate to the Elementor panel and search for Alert Box. Once the widget icon appears, hover over it and drag it into the plus icon. Now comes the fun part, customizing your notice. You can change the display, alert type, and even the title and description. You can also adjust the style of your notice widget to match your website's look and feel. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional-looking notice message widget using Spider Elements in WordPress.